Start recording. Bismillah. So whenever you click on inventor icon, you come to the screen first. So I don't need this one first thing. So what I do here is I try to close this one. Now I go to the new and open a new file. So now whenever we come to the new file, you see this screen on your window on your screen. So now here I got three options: English, metric and model design. So I select metric. So in metric now I go and select what is called standard MMIPT. So double click on this one. Now it will open a new file. So now it has come to a new file now. So now if you see here, all this menu bar which you see here is a 3D menu bar. Now if I want to draw a 2D, so I go down and select a 2D sketch over here. So now before doing that, we need to make a few adjustments which are over here. So now you see a front here. So here front means in the top view you will have, on the top you have the front view, because it is an American standard software. So where they use first angle projection, but since we are using third angle, we need to change it to the top. So I go down to the small arrow mark over here, click on this one and see set the current view as top. So now this is set to the top view. Now I want to see what options I have. Now in our case I need to have top view, front view and the right side views in our 3D thing. So now if I go and click on the home button, now you see I have got options here: top, front and right. This is what I need. So if I need to change if I need to have top, front and left, I can rotate the screen, this box on. Now you see I have, till I get the desired one. Now I have got top, front and left over here. But I need to have top, front and in our case right. So I go down and top, it is come to left, front and right. So now this is what I need to have. So whenever I need to click the home button, I need to come to this one. So now I need to fix this one. So I go down to the small arrow again here and select set the current view as home, fit to view. So select fit to view here. So now whenever I click home, it comes to fit to view. Now if I want to go to the top view, now if I go to the home, now you see it will show me top, front and right. So this is what I need to have. So now I have made a few basic options over here fixed. Now whenever we need to draw a 3D drawing, what we do here is first we draw a 2D model, 2D drawing, that is X and Y, and try to give it a Z value so that it becomes a solid. So now in our case, in our classwork problem, we have got X is equal to 120, Y is 100 and Z is 80. So now I need to go and draw my X and Y, that is the top view. I have got X is equal to 100, X is equal to 120 and Y is equal to 100. That means I need to draw a 2D sketch. So to do that, I go to the start 2D sketch and click on the 2D sketch over there. Now you see it is showing me three different axes. So now it is asking me on which axis you want to draw. So now I want to draw in the top view. Now look here on the guide over here, it has top view is on this side, so right side is on this side. So I need to go and draw on the top view. I select parallel to this one, to this axis. So I select this axis. So now you see it is shown as top view. So anything I draw will be in the top view. So now you see this one in the menu bar is changed to 2D. From 3D it has changed to 2D. Line, circle, R, rectangle, fillet, text, move, trim, everything which we have been using in our AutoCAD. Dimension, everything which we have been using in AutoCAD. So now I go and draw a rectangle first from any point. I click there. Now you see a blue block which is moving. That means that is active and I need to give the dimension over there. So I type the length is 120, in our case 120. Now I need to jump to the next rectangle to give the other dimension. So I press tab button and I type what is called is 100, because Y is 100 in our case. So now I click 100 and press enter. Now you see I have got a rectangle over there. If I have got a zoom all button over here, so click on zoom all, so you see the rectangle over there, which is 120 in length and 100 in width. So now this is my X and this is my Y. So now if I go to the home, now you see it will show me as 120 and 100. Now I need to give a Z value. So to come to the Z value, I need to come out of the 2D command and go to the 3D command. So how do I come out of the 2D command? So I go and click finish sketch. So now you see all the menu bar is changed to 3D command now. So now I need to give it a height. So how can I give the height? So I go to the extrude command. Now you see it has already selected this one. Now the direction of arrow mark is given to me over here. The height it has taken as 10, but I need the height as 80. So change the height as 80. So type 80 and click OK. Now you see I have got height. Now click home. Now this is my X, this is my Y, and this is my Z. So now I have finished drawing the block which we need to have. Now what we did in the class is we need to remove a rectangle from this side and a rectangle from this side which has got a height of 60 and width of 20. That means I need to go and draw again a rectangle on this face. So now if I want to draw a 2D command, now again I go to the 2D sketch, start 2D sketch, and select the face which you want to draw, whether you want to draw on this face or this face. Now if I want to draw on this face, I select this face. So now it has selected that face. Now I can go and draw a rectangle from there. Now see, it will select the end point. The point has become green. That means it has selected the edge of this block. So click there and come down. Now the blue block is active, so type 60 because I need to have height 60 and tab 20 because the width is 20. Enter. Now I have got the rectangle over there. Escape button. Now I go and draw another rectangle from the other side because it is of the same length and same extrusion point. So I go down 60, tab 20 and enter. Now I have got both of them. Now I go and check this one, home button. Now you see this is the face I have drawn. Now I need to extrude these rectangles to the end. So now what I do here, I need to come out of the 2D command and then go to the 3D command. So now to come out of the 2D command, I need to click finish sketch. So I click finish sketch, and now you see the whole menu bar is changed to again 3D. Now I need to extend this one, extrude this one. I go to the extrude command. Now I will select this rectangle and this rectangle. Now they are coming in forward direction. Look at the arrow mark. I need to go in opposite direction. So I select the second arrow mark over there. It has gone to the arrow mark. Now this length is only 80, but I need to go till 120. So I change the dimensions to 120. So now it comes and removes the whole thing. Now you see I have removed the whole thing. Then again I have got a rectangular slot on the top. That is a rectangular slot over here. So now what I do here is, instead of drawing, I go down again from this point, or I can go to the top view or in the front view. It doesn't matter. So I go to the top view in this plane. So now I go to the home button. Now I go and draw a rectangle. Now how to draw the rectangle? I will draw it from the middle because I need to have a hole which is 20. So I go and draw one rectangle at the top from the middle and one rectangle at the bottom from the middle. So I go down to the midpoint, so it has become green. It has selected the midpoint. So now I go down, go up and type 120, tab 10. So now you see it is over here. Now go to the rectangle and again from the same point, midpoint, come down now. In the down, type 120, tab 10. Click OK. So now I've got two rectangles. Now you see here 10 plus 10 is 20, which I need, and length is 120. So now I need to extrude this to a depth of 30. So I need to come out of the 2D command. So I go and click finish sketch now. Now I go to the extrude. Now I click on this rectangle, click on this rectangle. It is going up. I want to have in opposite direction, and I need to go to a depth of how much? 30. So type 30 instead of 120, type 30. Click OK. Now you see it has come to 30. Now what is left? The left is only thing, the triangle over here. So first thing is I need to go and draw the triangle on this face. So if I need to draw the triangle on this face, I need to go and select start 2D sketch. Okay, click on this line, click over there. Now I can draw now you see this part of I can draw only on this part of the rectangle. Now you see it is only selecting these lines. If I come down, it will not select it. So now I go down and click here home button. So if I want to see where I am starting, so line, click on this one. Okay, it has selected a green point. So click there, go up till it selects the other point, which is again green. Now look, angle is 90 degrees and the height is 60. So click over there. So now I have finished that line. Now I need to go and inside, because it is a non-isometric line. Line inside is how much? The dimension given to us is 30. Click there, go inside 30. Go inside 30. Angle is 180 degrees, type 30. Enter. Now I have finished drawing that line. Now I need to join this end and this end. Again I go to the line command, click there, end point, it has become green, and come down and end point of this one, again it has become green. Now escape. Now I need to extrude this triangle till the end. So now I need to come out from the 2D command and go to the 3D command. So go and click finish sketch. Now to extrude this one, click extrude. Now it has come in the forward direction. I need to go into the opposite direction. The distance is how much? I think 60. So you can type 60 or 100, it doesn't matter. So click OK. So now I have finished drawing this. So now I need to write my name, everything, because I don't have a title block here. I need to write name and everything. So what I do here is, first thing, I go and file, save as. I will save the file as classwork number 9. I will save as classwork number 9. Okay. So it want to replace, I already have it. So I replaced it. So now I have saved it. Now I need to take a print. So to take a print, what I do is I open a new file. Go to the file, new. Now metric again. Now I will not use stranded IPT. I come down and select ISO IDW. ISO IDW. Look at the pointer where it is moving. ISO IDW. Double click on this one. Now it will open a new file, that is a new window. Now you see here I've got two windows. One is this window. If I click, you can see this drawing. If I click this one, I can see this one. Now you can see the name over here automatically. I can zoom and show you the name. It is automatically given here, which is the login name. So here I've got a login name which is already there. So now if you go on, so now if you want to write your name further, so again go to zoom window and make it big. And now how are you going to write your name? You can write your name here, ID number, bench number, and you can finish. So how can you go and write your name? Again, you know, you have got annotate here, just like we have got in AutoCAD. Click on annotate. Now you have got a text here. So now go down there, click at this point, and you can see just like AutoCAD, it opens a window. So now you can change the size of the font, and you can write the name whichever you want to have, and click OK. So now I have finished drawing the name. Now I can, since if it is not in the middle, I can just move it wherever I like by clicking on that one. So it is up to you. So now this way you can write your ID number over here or ID number here, bench number here, and finish it. Now let us go to zoom all, and first thing is I need to place a 3D drawing which we have in this window now. you have got in this window. So now I want to put this over here. So now how am I going to go here? Go to the place views. You've got the base. Click on the base. Now you see it is showing me front view because it is front over here. If I click on the top view, it will show me the top view. If I give the right, it will show me the right side view. So now, but I need to have a 3D view. So I go down and select home button here. So now here it has given me scale 1 to 2. I want to have 1 to 1. So change the scale to 1 to 1. Now it has changed to 1 to 1. Now I have got 3 options here. One is with hidden line, one is without hidden line, one is shaded. So I want to have one without hidden line. So I select the second option and click OK. So now you see I have got a 3D drawing which is over here. Now I can move it to make it center. So now you can make it center. Now if you want to have a top view and front view, you can also have it. So you go down there, see base. So if you select the front view, select 1 to 1, OK, click OK. You want to have with hidden line, so select the first option, click OK. So now you can move the front view over. Now you see you have got the front view with hidden line. Similarly, you can go and make a top view and the right side view. But in our case, I don't need these views, so I'm deleting it. Right click on that one, delete it. And get this one in the center. This is all we need. So now I need to print this one. So now how am I going to print it? Go to File, Print. Now select Best Fit. Select the printer over here, Best Fit, and click OK. You will get a print. Is this clear? So this way you can save the drawing and give me a print. So this is how we are going to do it.